Hello everyone and welcome to today's Uncraftable video. So, in the past few episodes we've been working on furnishing our house, my house, and over here I have made a new floor area for us to be building, and I have also added some windows and some lights, and it looks so much better, may I add. So I'm not quite sure what I want to put in here. I'm trying to think of what I don't have, so I'm going to take a run through. So, I know what I can add. I'm going to add a washing machine. I don't know why, but my voice is going funny. I think I'm losing my voice because I have been recording an hour of this. For today, I've been recording for a long time. An hour is a long time. Oops. So, yeah. So I'll close this. Well, first, I'm probably going to need that. Then the water will come down. Then my clothes will be washed. And then I can open this up. They'll come pouring out. Yep, this works. Laundry machine. Well, it's not really my laundry machine, but for the house, this is my laundry machine. I got this design from Stampy Longhead. So if you want to check it out, go ahead. You can, basically. So now I'm gonna add some armchairs because I want to add some armchairs, and why not? So I'm gonna grab some cyan and some half slabs right here. I'm gonna do the same design as every other armchair in this entire house. Okay, so now what we can do is we can go over here and we can add a window like this. As of this video, I would record an hour and 10 minutes. So I'm going to be recording an hour and 20 minutes. I know. Probably messed that up. But yeah, so this episode is going to be cut short. Or, I don't know, I didn't check the time. But that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.